there, I am Mrs. Hannah Knecht, and I'm so excited to get to know you and work with you in our one-on-one sessions. A fun fact about me, I was actually homeschooled for part of my life, just like some of you might be. So I totally understand what it's like to learn from home, and I'm here to help make your learning experience not just easier, but way more fun and confidence boosting. In our tutoring sessions together, we will focus on the areas where you need a little extra support, whether that's a tricky math concept, organizing your ideas in writing, reading comprehension, or even talking about strategies you can try to make learning smoother and more successful. Sometimes your teacher or parent might send us a specific topic to work on or practice, so keep in mind that this time is just for you. We're gonna work at your pace. I want you to ask lots of questions, and we will celebrate every win along the way. I'm really looking forward to meeting you, learning together, and helping you grow your skills and your confidence. See you soon.